Well, dentistry began for me back in when I was in college. I have an uncle who was a dentist. He's deceased now, Dr. Winthrop Holder. And he's the one who pulled me from my pre-medical direction into the dentistry and really changed my career, changed my life.
I met Dr. Mitchell in 1991 when I was visiting Harlem Hospital, and I got to meet him as the chief dental resident. The director of dentistry at the hospital, Dr. James McIntosh, pulled me aside and he said, "I just want you to know that Dr. Mitchell is the best chief resident I ever had."
I have known our honoree, Dr. Dennis Mitchell, professionally and personally since 1997 as a fraternity brother and alum of the Howard University College of Dentistry. I have firsthand knowledge of his integrity, professionalism, clinical skills, leadership, and passion for the profession of dentistry, dental education, and higher education.
But then I appointed him to be in charge of what's called University Life, which is an office that I created at the highest levels of the administration to deal with all questions about all students across the university.
Right after I finished my master's in public health, and again with, at that time, Dean Alan Formicola, we founded together with other colleagues the Community Dent Care Network. And ultimately, this became 8 school-based dental programs across the northern Manhattan community.
He served as Columbia University's institutional PI for Minority Dental Faculty Development Program, funded by the Adair W.K. Kellogg Foundation. He was co-PI for Columbia's Summer Health Program Education, or SHPEP, funded by the RWJ Foundation, and the Summer Health Scholars Program, funded by the Center for Disease Control. Together, these programs continue to bring over 125 underrepresented scholars to Columbia each summer.
The rationale for these programs is that these students, if they waited to apply and hadn't had this opportunity to strengthen their academic background, they probably would have had a hard time getting into these schools. But because they come and they spend the summer working and learning, they increase their skills academically and are much more attractive to health professional schools.
And we believe that improving diversity across dental education is pivotal for the success of the profession and ultimately the outcome of our patients, which is why we do the work in the first place.
And I watched the people that he mentored and nurtured, and he was like a father, a parent, but a friend and a colleague. And those people, couldn't have been more fortunate in life to have someone like Dennis be their partner.
For Columbia, it helped us move from 3% underrepresented to a total of 20% underrepresented at this current moment in time. So we're really thrilled to have had the resources and to be able to develop programming that has helped not just the dental academy, but also the dental profession.
Dr. Mitchell is one of our nation's leading dental administrators, educators, who is committed to ensuring that our next generation of dental leaders is truly prepared to meet the total health needs of the communities they serve.
It's not easy doing what Dennis has committed his life to do. I mean, he's a scientist, he's a practitioner, he has a profession, he has a life, he has a family life. And yet he has taken on this mission of trying to help hundreds, sure thousands of people whom he does not know, in almost all cases personally, but they have come within his nurturing orbit. I mean, that's the kind of person we're talking about honoring here. It's somebody who every one of us should look at and say, thank God there is a Dennis Mitchell in the world that we can look at and see what we should strive for.
For me, to receive a Gies Awards is an incredible honor. So I'm incredibly grateful to the Gies Foundation, to the Dental Academy for considering the work that I do valuable and to honor it in this way. So I thank you.
Congratulations, Dennis, on receiving the Adia Gies Award for Eminence in Achievement. You've earned that with your 20 years of work at Columbia University and the College of Dental Medicine.
Congratulations. We are so very proud of you. And I know your family is, and the entire dental profession, globally and nationwide.
You've been the dearest of friends and a colleague unmatched. And so congratulations. I know you are proud of this award, and we're proud of you for it.